just leave the people in black dito sa my stage. Ayan, thank you. Okay, simulan na natin to. By the way, I will be your host, whether you like it or not. I am DJ Lizzie from GB 99.9. Hinihingi ko lang katahimikan at ginugusto ko lang at this very moment. How about some noise for car number 3? Wala ba itong mga... Hindi ko na. Excited. Ang gusto ko lang yung nagsusupport kay car number 3. How about that? Pagod ito, pagod. Nararamdaman ko. Car number 3, wala magsusuporta? Pagod ng kaunti. Isa pa nga ulit, car number 3? Malungkot na iyan. How about car number 40? Wait lang, excited much? Sabi ko, supporter pa lang, ha? Fairness to the world. Supporter pa lang, ha? Gusto ko marinig, supporter ng car number 40. Woo! Okay, sa Chos. Okay, how about car number 8? Okay, let's do it this way. We'll start off, since this is the first car. Silence everywhere. First car, engine war competition. Let's give it up for car number 40. Thank you very much, car number 40. And our next car will start with car number 8. Are you ready? Kailangan ko lang makita ang thumbs up, Papa D. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our second car, we have car number 8. Show ng bago na. Okay, we're down to our third car. And again, friends, yung po mga hindi naka-black, alam ko magaganda at guwapo. Can we just go down? Thank you very much because we're actually having the tally of your scores dito sa site na to. So yung po mga hindi Marshall, thank you very much. Last car for tonight for the engine roar. I think it's ready. Yung po mga may asthma, pwede medyo okay, car number 3. to thank and we would... Okay, ito naman. Since we all know that we have almost everybody, all the best... Busy pa rin si Kuya, te. All the best car club in town is here. Gathered tonight. Pwede ba naming makarinig ka? Can I just hear some noise from each car club that I will be mentioning tonight? But again, this is Revving Up at Summer 2013 being brought to you by Lotoys Racing Team. And you are with your host tonight, DJ Lizzie. Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang marinig daw, alam ko medyo kanina nalulungkot kayo ng konti, but some of you are half drunk, but I think lahat kayo gising pa. Tama ba yun? Tulog na, tulog. Busy rin kayo talaga, ano? Okay, ganito na lang. I just need to hear some noise. I know and I believe that it's not about the cars. It's about the drivers who's inside it. So, how about some noise from Group N? BC, wala namang malakas. Group N! Sige, maiintindihan ko kayo dyan, friend. Paos, parang ako lang. Pero Group N, thank you very much. Palakpakan nyo naman ang ating mga friends from Group N. Marshals, pangunahan nyo yan.